The battle over school uniform is nothing new. It's an old fight, usually between teenagers and those in charge. But maybe school uniform rules are more problematic than they first appear. Laura McInerney is a former teacher, the editor of Schools Week, and a columnist for The Guardian.
I taught in a school which had, or brought in, a set of uniform that was very different for the students. So it'd always been the case that girls had to wear skirts, and that had kind of got on my nerves. But then the school decided to bring in separate ties. So it brought in a different colour tie for female students versus male students. And that to me seemed even more of a bizarre step. If you have a student who feels uncomfortable in their gender or is transitioning, you've now got this extra barrier, and it just felt like it was providing an extra division when no division was necessary.
Currently, the Department for Education says schools can choose whether girls are allowed to wear trousers or not. But having different clothes for girls and boys is not the only issue that's been raised. These girls also feel there's a problem with the way school uniform rules are explained.
One of the teachers, a female teacher, said to me, like, you look like you're wearing a belt, not a skirt. And I've had several complaints about how you're making the men in the school feel very uncomfortable.
We did some research to try and find out how common these attitudes are. We surveyed 200 women and girls. Over half said they'd heard school uniform rules being explained in terms of preventing distraction. 84% said they'd been told their school skirt was too short.